wonderful the mind of a child is.
Allison, can you explain what internet is?
I still love technology.
And we are calling it iPhone.
Hey guys, Mr. Ogden here. Today we're going to start using another Google app called Google Draw, and you're going to make a family poster that represents your family. So first you're going to start off by clicking this tutorial video so you understand how to use it. You'll also be looking at the directions, and then you'll be clicking on the Google Draw assignment to begin. So let's look at the directions. So the directions say use Google Draw to create a poster that represents your family. The poster must include the following: title of family, which means your last name. Change the background color. Insert at least 5 pictures from Google Images. Insert at least 5 shapes. Include at least 1 freehand drawing using the line tool. Use at least 1 word art. So let's take a look at Google Draw, and let's look at those different items. So first, for the background color, if you right click on the right side of your touchpad, or if you right click using the mouse, you can change the background color. If you click insert up here, you can do word art, and I can just type Ogden, and you can move that around and shrink it or make it bigger or smaller. To insert a shape, you can use any of these. You just click it and drag, and you can also right click and click edit text and put, numbers or letters or, sister or whatever you want to put. You can also change the color of it. So the shape is right now is this color, the fill color. You can change it to, whatever color you want. You can also change the size of it. This is the line color on the outside of the star, so if I did like a bright yellow. And this is the line thickness. This is the line style. So you can see, you can already notice you can customize a lot of things using Google Draw. To insert a line or to draw something, you just click line, and now I can click and draw a house or whatever it is I want to draw. And then you can change with all the settings as well. To insert a picture or an image, click insert image and go to search. This will search Google, and also these things listed below, and I can search like London because my dad was born in London, so maybe I use this picture. When it first starts, it comes off really big. You can just click it and shrink it. You can insert a text box. London is where my dad was born. And then you can change the font and the size of the font, bold, text color. You can do all kinds of different things. You can go image options, and you can change the options on the image. You can add a filter to the image. All kinds of cool things. Have fun and play around with it. I just want to show you an example of a bad family poster because there's only pictures. And this is a very good one. Lots of pictures, drawings, shapes, text, all kinds of great things. So have fun. Let me know if you have any questions.